Hey everyone, want to optimize ClickUp performance? In this video, I'll show you how to improve workspace speed, organize your projects, and create a smoother ClickUp experience step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Sign in to your account and open your workspace. Next, review your workspace structure and remove unnecessary spaces, folders, lists, and tasks that you no longer need. I mean, a cleaner workspace is easier to manage and can improve overall efficiency. Now organize your projects using a simple structure and avoid creating too many unnecessary levels of folders and lists. Next, archive completed projects, old tasks, and outdated information instead of keeping everything active in your workspace. Review your custom fields, tags, and statuses regularly. Remove unused options and keep your workflow simple. Next, optimize your views by using filters and limiting unnecessary information when working with large projects. Customize notifications to receive only important updates and reduce unnecessary alerts. Use automations carefully and remove outdated automation rules that are no longer useful. Next, organize your dashboards by keeping only the most important reports and removing unused dashboard cards. Keep your ClickUp app updated and use a stable internet connection for the